we have a role to protect life and property. Our responsibility to ensure this country is secure and safe. And that is a mandate we are going to discharge without fear or favor. So the propaganda out there will not discourage us. They can continue threatening us that so and so will go to ICC, so and so will go to court. That has no implications at all in terms of our commitment. Tumesikia akitisha ati hivi karibuni tutaenda kwa barabara kuharibu mali, kuharibu biashara za watu. Wewe unajidanganya. We are going to deal with you without fear or favor, as I've said. And we are going to use all the equipment brought to us by these members of the public.
Riboti teno ni ati abunge kaunti-ini ya Kakamega